first up, let's begin with a breaking update that is now coming in. Amit the Rao over remarks again Rahul Gandhi. Here is the BJP chief and Union Minister JP Nadda writing to Congress Party President Mallikarjun Kharge as he is reminding the Congress leader and of the barbs and personal attacks that have been made against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Gali politics at its peak as far as Congress party has been calling for protests. The pictures that we saw in coming yesterday. However, the BJP is reminding the Congress party that when it comes to personal attacks against Prime Minister Narendra Modi, that has also been done by several leaders from the opposition. Just quickly going through the excerpts of this open letter that has been penned by JP Nadda and has been addressed to Mallikarjun Kharge, the party president of the Congress. He says that Kharge ji, क्योंकि अपने अपने पत्र में सिलेक्टिव तरीके से बात करने का केवल राहुल गांधी को लेकर, इसलिए मैं उसी से अपनी बात की शुरुआत करना चाहूंगा जिस व्यक्ति का इतिहास ही देश के प्रधानमंत्री सहित पूरे ओबीसी समुदाय को चोर कहकर गाली देने वाला रहा है। देश के प्रधानमंत्री के लिए अत्यंत जिस तरीके से अमर्यादित शब्दों का प्रयोग किया गया है, जिसी संसद में देश के प्रधानमंत्री को डंडे से पीटने की बात की गई थी, जिस तरह से दुष्ट मानसिकता के पूरे देश को वापिक हो गया है, वहीं पर उसी राहुल गांधी को सही ठहराने की कोशिश आप किस मजबूरी से चलते कर रहे हैं। मैं राहुल गांधी की माताजी सोनिया गांधी से भी ये कहना चाहता हूं, खड़गे जी, जिन्होंने मोदी जी को लेकर मौत का सौदागर जैसे अत्यंत असभ्य अपशब्दों का प्रयोग किया था, इन सभी दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण और शर्मनाक बयानों को लेकर आप और आपकी पार्टी के नेता महिमा मंडल करते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं। क्या तब ये राजनीतिक सुचिता की बातें कांग्रेस पार्टी भूल गई थी जब राहुल गांधी ने सरेआम मोदी जी की छवि खराब करने की कोशिश की? As far as this long letter that has now been penned by JP Nadda, he has been also calling as far as addressing Mallikarjun Kharge, saying that why are you again and again निरंतर फेल्ड प्रोडक्ट का बचाव करने की, जिसकी महिमा मंडल आप करने की मजबूरी आपके पास है, लेकिन कम से कम कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष होने के नाते आप इन चीजों पर आपको आत्ममंथन करना चाहिए। Mohit is with us right now. Mohit, this is the Congress's hypocrisy that is now openly being called out by JP Nadda, especially against the comments that have been made by Rahul Gandhi. Here is JP Nadda pointing out exactly what the Congress party and its leaders have done in the past.
Well, let's in fact, Amita, and the backdrop of the fact is that Mallikarjun Kharge, the Congress president, wrote to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and he expressed his disappointment over the statements that have been made by various NDA leaders, including Union Minister Avneet Bittu, former BJP MLA, Shiv Sena MLA, and a UP minister who have made derogatory statements against Rahul Gandhi. Now, in that particular letter, Mallikarjun attacked Prime Minister Narendra Modi, saying that this is something which is very sad, and also he went on to say that Rajiv Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, the Gandhi family have lost their life, sacrificed their life for the country, and this is what they are subjected to. Now we see a rebuttal coming in from none other than BJP President JP Nadda, who has reminded Mallikarjun Kharge of the statement that have been made by Rahul Gandhi and other Congress leaders in the past. Now he also spoke about that how Rahul Gandhi has made the comment in the parliament that Prime Minister will be beaten up by the sticks, and also Sonia Gandhi calling Prime Minister Narendra Modi Maut ka Saudagar. Now he also went on to say that Congress leaders have abused Prime Minister Narendra Modi over 110 times, and I would like to read from that particular letter because this is very important. Every single statement that have been made by the Congress leader, a derogatory statement by Congress leaders against Prime Minister Narendra Modi have been mentioned in this particular letter. Now, JP Nadda also writes that what all has been said about the Prime Minister by the Congress leader, like Maut ka Saudagar, Jaharila Saab, Chuha, Ravan, Bhasmasur, Nalayak, Kutte ki Maut Marega. So these are the statements that have been made by the Congress leader, and it has been mentioned by JP Nadda in this particular letter, saying that none other than Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, the top leadership of the Congress party, they have been abusing Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And remember, before the election, Samita too, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other BJP leaders raised this issue that they have hatred towards the country, they have the hatred towards Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and that is why the Congress leaders are using such language against the Prime Minister. Now, JP Nadda also takes a jibe at Mallikarjun Kharge, saying that they want to polish Rahul Gandhi again and again, and this has been said by the BJP earlier too, that they want to relaunch Rahul Gandhi again and again, and because
and in particular, when it comes to Rahul Gandhi's recent visit to the United States and all the people that he was meeting, the statements that was being made by the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha as he's representing a position there when he's abroad. This is all being pointed out exactly when it comes to this letter that has been penned by JP Nadda, where he's also naming several leaders from the Congress party who've had a past when it comes to making personal attacks against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We'll come back to you, Mohit, on that, because it is raining vitriol and galis and threats this political season. The spree that began with the Union Minister Ravneet Singh Bittu's controversial #1 terrorist attack on the leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi. Bittu fired first the terrorist Bab as a response to the controversial comment made by Rahul Gandhi on Sikhs in the United States that the attack came to have had a domino effect, with leader after leader from the NDA, from different political parties, taking aim at when it comes to Rahul Gandhi. Shiv Sena MLA Sanjay Gaikwad even offered 11 lakh rupees as bounty for anyone those who cuts Rahul Gandhi's tongue. UP Minister Raghuraj Singh, while speaking in Indore, also seconded the comment and repeated the #1 terrorist attack on Rahul Gandhi. And now, in the last 24 hours, there have been more leaders who have been weighing in. BJP MP from Maharashtra, Anil Bonde, is of the view that Rahul Gandhi's tongue must be scalded or must be burned for the comments that he has made. Adding this is Union Minister Ramdas Athavale, who has now called for the revocation of Rahul Gandhi's passport. And now, even when it comes to joining the bandwagon as BRS leader KTR, speaking on a completely unrelated issue, he also made a snide remark on Rahul Gandhi, saying that in Himachal Pradesh, the chief minister has admitted that the government has no money and they are planning to cultivate ganja. Now the Congress should bring nationwide scheme called Rahul Gandhi Ganja Cultivation Scheme. Listen in when it comes to the slew of controversial comments that have been made now against Rahul Gandhi.
राहुल गांधी खुद देश के #1 टेररिस्ट।
राहुल गांधी इस देश का #1 आतंकवादी है।
जो जिसकी जिवा छटेगा मैं उसको 11 लाख का इनाम दूंगा।
तर जीभ छाटू नये, पण जिभेला चटके मात्र दिले पाहिजे।
राहुल गांधी जैसा हमेशा बोलते रहेगी, तो मेरी सूचना ये है कि राहुल गांधी का पासपोर्ट के अंतर्गत करना चाहिए।
कंट्री वाइड पॉलिसी लीजिए, एक राहुल गांधी गांजा स्कीम करके एक नया स्कीम ला लीजिए।
So we also talk about how the Congress is now reacting. They are up in arms. They have hit the streets. Protests have been taking place. Effigies that are now being burned. Police complaint that has been filed against NDA netas for the controversial comments against their leader Rahul Gandhi. In fact, when it comes to Congress General Secretary and Rahul Gandhi's sister Priyanka Gandhi Vadra too has taken an aim at the Modi Sarkar, calling the comments of the NDA leaders as ideological violence against the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha. Priyanka Gandhi said that such comments are pre-planned and have support from the BJP and the RSS. Even when it comes to Congress Party President Mallikarjun Kharge also wrote a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi raking these comments made by BJP leaders and their allies. In that letter, Kharge expressed his concern and disappointment over the remarks made against Rahul Gandhi, calling them a great danger to India's future. He also appealed to the Prime Minister to take strict action, ensuring discipline and setting boundaries for his leaders, especially when it comes to mentioning Union Minister Ravneet Singh Bittu's terrorist remarks when it comes to the Congress Party, who are now stepping up the offensive against the NDA.
उचित आचरण निर्देश के अलावा मैं चाहूंगा कि उनके ऊपर सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई हो और ऐसे लोगों को पार्टी के बाहर निकाला जाए।
कोई राहुल गांधी को आतंकी कह रहा है, कोई कह रहा है उनकी जबान काट के ले आओ, मैं 11 लाख दूंगा, कोई कह रहा है कि उनका वो हश्र होगा जो उनकी दादी का हो। ये किस तरह के बयान है? ये हिंसा के बयान है, ये नफरत के बयान है। राहुल गांधी को जान से मारने की धमकी बीजेपी के नेता दे रहे।
पूरा एजेंडा राहुल गांधी जी की छवि, उनकी जान को खतरा, पूरा एक माहौल बनाने का एजेंडा भाजपा के नेताओं को दिया गया है।
शर्म आना चाहिए, इस बात को हल्के पे नहीं लेना है, ये गंभीर का बात है। राहुल गांधी जी एक अपोजिशन लीडर को, उनके परिवार में 2-2 लोग इस देश के लिए शहीद हुए, शहादत हुए, इनको क्या पता है उनके बारे में?
Let's in the meantime also talk about how Prime Minister Narendra Modi, without taking directly Rahul Gandhi's name, made a loaded political statement against those who are filled with hate. He said that those who are filled with hate are defaming the country. He also then highlighted how the opposition mocked him and insulted him constantly as part of their political strategy against him. In the past as well, the Prime Minister has responded to the abuses hurled at him by the Congress leaders, and especially during the election campaign of the Lok Sabha. In one of his speeches, he highlighted that he has now become habitual, he has now become immune to all of these galis which are directed at him.
इस दौरान मेरा मजाक उड़ाने लगे, मोदी का मखौल उड़ाने लगे, भांति भांति के तर्क वितर्क बताते रहे, मजा लेते थे और लोग भी हैरान थे कि मोदी क्या कर रहा है, क्यों चुप है, इतनी मजाक हो रही है, इतना अपमान हो रहा है.
Well, let's talk about how the leaders of the India bloc are reacting, because they are obviously coming out in support of Rahul Gandhi. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister and DMK top boss M.K. Stalin has called the threat comments made by NDA leaders as shocking. He's added that Rahul Gandhi's growing charisma is unsettling to many leaders in the government, and Stalin is also asking the union government to act swiftly to ensure protection of Rahul Gandhi. Even when it comes to the Sena faction of the Uddhav Thackeray faction of the Shiv Sena and NCP faction of Sharad Pawar, which has slammed the BJP over the comments made by the NDA netas against the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha.
हिंदुस्तान में अगर ये कहा गया है कि राहुल गांधी का हश्र भी हाल भी उनके दादी जैसा या उनके पिताजी ऐसा करना चाहिए, कर देंगे, ये बात अगर इस देश के प्रधानमंत्री सुनते हैं और चुप बैठते हैं, इस देश के गृह मंत्री सुनते हैं और चुप बैठते हैं, मैं ये उसका मतलब ये समझता हूँ कि ये साजिश का हिस्सा अब भी है और हम कंडेम करते हैं इस बात का. लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन है, उसका नेता प्रतिपक्ष है, जिसको कैबिनेट रैंक है, उसके खिलाफ आपके पार्टी के लोग धमकाते हैं, मारने की कोशिश करते हैं, बात करते हैं और आप चुप बैठते हो, ये हम बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकते.
So statements have been made, protests are being done, and also when it comes to letters that are now being written as far as the comments earlier made by Rahul Gandhi, and when it comes to the comments in the counter that is now coming on part of the union ministers and NDA leaders. We head into a short break, lots more lined up on the other side.